This is day 96 of researching a stock a day until I can quit my job. Today we're looking at quantum computing. Did you know that your computer can actually make mistakes? There are times when a 1 or a 0 is mistakenly triggered in the hardware. With quantum computers, the error rate is significantly higher. Rather than going into the science again of Rigetti and IonQ's approaches, here are some key factors to pay attention to. Right now, the machines available have a few dozen to maybe 100 physical qubits, and they make significantly more mistakes than classical computers. That's fine for experiments and demos, but not for real large-scale programs. To run something truly useful, you need logical qubits. Qubits that are super reliable, built out of many physical ones, with error correction. Depending on how low your error rate is, each logical qubit might require hundreds or thousands of physical ones. Because errors compound, scaling is not just a linear problem. It becomes exponentially harder the more qubits you add. To make a quantum computer useful, you need to entangle qubits. IonQ has a lower 2-qubit gate error rate than Rigetti, about 0.4% versus 0.5%. It may seem like a small difference, but it's a meaningful edge and a key driver why IonQ trades at a higher valuation. Both their machines are currently producing dozens of physical qubits, and they're both aiming for the 100 range in their next models. However, error rate is still key, and it's an immense challenge to bring it down. I think the difficulty with quantum computing is that we know that it could have meaningful applications, but we don't know who will solve it and how long it will take. You could take the basket approach or via options to mitigate some risk, as the current valuations are pricing in a lot of optimism. The only name I saw someone mention that may not have as high of a valuation is Inflection, that is going public through a SPAC on the CCCX ticker and claims to have an impressively low error rate. I bought some as quantum is trending, but the SPAC math is quite complicated and the stock can rise and crash quickly on low float. I also can't say they're any more likely to solve the quantum puzzle. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research.